What's going on, brother? It's your man Pat Seasall, Seasall LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm out here at the house right now, man. And well, I just want to throw a quick video out there. This is what I'm talking about. People don't expect. Look at this. Just look at this. You see that? On the nice grass, I am wasting away dozens of dollars worth. Oh, and my battery somehow is internally shortened. This is the type of things that people don't take into consideration whenever you are running a business. Expenses, you know, because this line right here, that line goes from right here all the way to here. Now the money I just made is probably about to go directly back into the truck, and for that I could have just saved the day by staying home, I guess. But yeah, that's part of doing business that they don't tell you about. This is the reason why you got to charge. You have to charge because, yeah, baby girl, that's my baby girl and my wife. This is the reason why. It's because you never expect it to happen. When it does, it does, and I can't complain. I just have to get the truck rolling. So business expense, charge that money. Like, share, subscribe. Till next time, mi gente, be pro mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.